Hello and welcome to this Excel tips video. I am Sumit Bansal, and in this video I am going to show you a really quick way to unpivot data in Excel. So here I have this data set, and this is the kind of data you cannot use to build a pivot table because this is not in the right format. Rather, this is in the kind of format that you get from pivot table. Now, if you want to unpivot this data and let's say get into a format where you have all the regions in one column, all the months in one column, and all the values in one column, you need to unpivot this data. There are a couple of methods of doing this. You can use formulas, you can use VBA, but in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to do that, and that is using Power Query. Now, Power Query is something that is already there in Excel 2016 and versions after that. And in Excel 2010 and 13, you can download the Power Query add-in and use it. So you simply search for Power Query download. It'll take you to the Microsoft site and you can quickly download that add-in, install it, and start using it. If you're using versions before 2010, then you cannot use this method. So in this case, I'm using Excel 2016, and let me quickly show you how to unpivot this data. So I would first select any cell here, and the first thing I would do is convert this data into an Excel table because Power Query works really well with tables. So I would hold the control key and then press the T key, and this shows me this create table dialog box where I would check the range. My table has headers, so this is selected. And now when I click OK, it instantly converts this into a table. Let me quickly change the formatting so that it's visible. And now I would select any cell in this table. I would go to the data tab, and here in get in transform data, I would click on from table range. And now when I do that, it is going to open this data in the Power Query editor. So you see the Power Query editor here, and the same data has been loaded here. Now I would right click on this region column and click on unpivot other columns. And as soon as I click on it, you can see it instantly unpivots this data, and I have the data in the format I want. This is the kind of format that you can use to create pivot tables. Now I would come here, change this column's name. Let me call it month name. And now I can load this data back into Excel because this is Power Query editor. This is not Excel interface. So I would come here and click on close and load. And as soon as I do this, as of now, it has sheet 1. This would insert another sheet and I get my data, the unpivoted data here in sheet 2 that I can use to create pivot tables. Now, another great thing about Power Query is that in case my data expands, let's say I get the data for July. Let me just copy this data here. So I have this new data for July, and I have to now add this data into this unpivoted data format. I do not need to do this again. I would simply right click on any of the cell, click on refresh, and instantly the data for July would be added. You can see that the data of July has been added automatically because this table here is linked to this table here. And whenever any change is made here, you can simply come here, refresh it, and this would automatically update. So this is the fastest way to unpivot data in Excel. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I come up with a new Excel tips video. Thank you and have a nice day.